Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing we will discuss about inbound marketing. What is inbound marketing? Why inbound marketing? The difference between inbound marketing and outbound marketing, so on and so forth. Let's check them out. What is inbound marketing? Inbound marketing refers to the process of disseminating content across multiple online channels, generating traffic, attracting potential customers and driving conversions. You actually spread a lot of content across multiple channels. It could be on the websites, landing pages, blogs, social media, guest blogging, a lot of multiple places. And then content is actually driven. It disseminates quality information related to your products, services and solutions. When people review that, the kind of benefit that they can derive it, they click and they actually come. This is how inbound marketing works. The most cost-effective marketing strategy for creating awareness, increasing visibility and driving growth. This is the most cost-effective manner as far as driving traffic, increasing visibility and the growth of your company. Inbound marketing really works because content is everything on the web. What is basically the difference between outbound and inbound marketing? In the outbound, you have got print ads, you have got television ads, radio ads, trade shows and the telemarketing. This is all outbound marketing that is going out, that is not coming in. It goes out everything. And what we have in inbound marketing, search engine optimization, you are actually spreading information. Search engine marketing, PPC campaigns, then we have got blogging, then you got social media, then you got videos. This is all actually the inbound marketing. Inbound marketing really works and it is cost effective, it is cheap and this is what drives traffic to your website or a landing page. How actually inbound marketing works? You have got create the first part. You create the content, you create the websites, blogs, landing pages and social media. You actually create the plan everything so that you can engage with the users. This is the first part, that create. You create all that, you provide valuable information and the content that is beneficial for the end user. Then comes the traffic. When you create this thing, the traffic comes from search engine optimization, the PPC campaigns and the email marketing campaign. That is basically driving traffic. When you drive traffic, they come to your website, the landing pages, the blogs, then actually it starts for converting those traffic into leads, and leads actually become the customers. Then you do a lot of optimization, then you do a lot of testing, then you do the analytics, you review the complete information, you take informed decisions, go for the continuous improvement. Then comes the nurture. Once you have the conversion happening, you nurture those leads, those conversions. How you nurture that? By providing quality content, quality information, then you do the customer support, and based on that you actually build references based on credibility, based on relationship that you build, and this is how you nurture your clients, your customers. This is actually the flow, how the inbound marketing plan works. And what are the channels that we have got? We have got search engine optimization, you have got social media, the landing pages, content marketing is huge, then blogs and the paid campaigns. These are the multiple channels that you can leverage in driving traffic, in creating content, in converting customers and nurturing those customers by building long-term relationship. In this session, what we have seen in this video is what is inbound marketing, the difference between inbound marketing and outbound marketing, how inbound marketing works and the inbound marketing channels. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.